Hi, I'm Jackie, and I lead product here at Predabase. I'd like to give you a quick tour of the features that we have in the UI today, self-serve, that you can try out yourself in the developer and enterprise tier. So the RFT training process looks a little different than supervised fine-tuning. After you kick off your RFT fine-tuning job, instead of coming back hours later and running your model through an eval script to measure for accuracy, we provide a lot of different features to help you monitor how is your job doing during the training process. So, and of course, since you can update reward functions live during training, you can course correct the model if you find that you want additional positive or negative reinforcement. So here I have a job I kicked off a while ago. In the reward functions tab, I can see the reward functions I've added, as well as previous versions if I've updated them. We also have, of course, the reward graphs. This essentially shows you how your reward function scores are doing over time or over step. You have the total, the individual scores, as well as the standard deviation. You can also notice interesting things like, for example, here I can see the formatting was sort of learned first, and now the model seems to be working on the answer reward function. Next, we have the reward logs. This is super helpful. Having the print statements shown from your reward functions. It's great for debugging, maybe, fixing something in the implementation or monitoring for timeouts or just in general seeing how your what's actually getting computed as part of your reward functions. And then last but certainly but not least, we have the completions viewer. You can see all your prompts and all the completions that are generated across every epoch, starting with the average latest reward scores for every prompt. You can deep dive into any individual prompt, compare completions for that prompt side by side. And if you want to see any completion across any epoch for any prompt, we also have those too. So this is just a great way for you to see exactly what your model is outputting during the training process. So the team put in a lot of work into building these features for the launch, and we've been working with a number of customers. And internally, we found that it's super helpful too for our own debugging purposes, and really helps to help you get the best performance for your model. So we really hope you enjoy these features as well and give them a try.